Hi everyone, this is Dana here. Today I want to show you how you can make with one ingredient fabulous dog treats.
Preheat the oven on 120 degrees Celsius. Have some hot dogs and cut them into thin slices. Insert them into the oven and leave them there for approximately 2.5 hours. Once they turn golden, turn off the oven and leave to cool for half an hour more. You know when they're ready when they're completely dry. If you have an empty container, you can use it to store those dry hot dogs there. Since they're dry, you don't have to put them in the fridge. You can just put them and leave them somewhere in the room.
So if you've liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!